Immediately subscribe to our channel. Boys till last.
Don't have such a good network
Okay, you are
because I
outside, right? I'm looking, you are
yes, yes,
outside.
yes, I am also from a rural area village.
Where are you from?
I am from Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Yeah,
Yes,
absolutely. Rajasthan's the spreading area.
yes. And you are
Mhm.
from Agra? You told me.
Yeah, yeah. I'm from,
Okay.
I put up Agra as well as in rural areas. Do you know Fatehabad?
No, I not.
Fatehabad,
Is it in
Firozabad,
UP?
and yeah, Agra in UP.
Yes, yes.
Okay, which class do you read?
I in 2020 I have passed my 12th grade.
12th class. Oh, superb. Congratulations.
Hmm. Then
Good.
where are you right now? You are in Agra?
Yeah, I'm in Agra, in a village, not here properly Agra, in village.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, you found on the YouTube. That's why your
Yes, yes.
conversation through with me. Yeah, welcome too. As well as I like to say you. Thanks for subscribe to me.
Yes, I subscribed you and watched your Cambly videos then.
Yeah, absolutely. Make sure you will conversation every day, every week, as
Okay.
well as you will improvement your English totally is like a foreigner.
Yes.
But I don't. But I. But keep this thing in mind. I don't speak Hindi. Don't ask Hindi words because sometimes I forget Hindi words. So that's why I don't want to interrupt my Hindi language. I know Hindi,
Yes.
but I don't
Huh?
speak. Don't mind, please.
Okay. Then there is in our area there is too much cold right now.
Too much cold. I'm putting on jacket. Still is something shivering my leg. I'm
Yes.
conversations and like is my mouth is taking out a dance.
Yes. Yes.
You are saying looking something as well as so there are no many people going outside because of dances. The winter is too much is and so how is the weather there?
It is you know 10 to 12 degrees Celsius right now,
And almost
or
here the same.
maybe okay.
11 is here 12, 12, 12, 13, 12, 13, 12,
Yes,
13.
we are we are too
Mm.
close to desert. Do you know Thar Desert, Great Indian Desert?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Huh. I I heard
That
about this. It's, we are too close something.
yes.
Mhm. Okay, how many members are there in your family?
Mm, I have four.
No, I have four, and they are four members in my family.
Yes, yes, yes. You are right.
Okay, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
There
And
are four members
sister,
in my family.
brother,
No, I
two,
am only one. I
only.
don't have any siblings. There are no siblings of me.
Okay, okay, only here one sister, one brother. I think
No, I am only one.
only you said to four members. That's why parents and
Yes.
two
One of my mother and one of my father and I.
and you. So three only three member. There are three member in your family.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I said
Superb, superb. Okay, okay. Tell me. Ask me any questions. I wanna reply you any questions on your
okay. Then for how long are you using this Cambly?
family. I've been
Cambly.
using last 2 months, 3 months,
Mhm.
not too long, last 2 months. Because I
Okay.
started for making practice day by day. It's making practices. If you don't practice, how will you improvement? How will you express yourself in front of your public and public
Uh-huh.
in your on each days in your school? That's why I wanna implement my knowledge. I wanna express my knowledge with anyone. Known as so many people and something blank. If you don't have English, so don't how will you implement your life? And English is the most language as one of the second language, English. So
Yes.
that's why people learn this is speaking English is mandatory. It's like English is second language in our world first and as well as global language. We will have to learn this. We have to follow this language. This not English. This language like Hindi, like English, but different only learning.
Yes, yes, you are right. English is more
Okay.
essential in daily life, or also in this today's time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Absolutely. Okay. How long have you been learning speaking English?
I I'm learning English for 1 month, or I'm started to
Good.
learn English by pre-po talk because I can't afford Cambly. That's too much
Absolutely.
expensive.
Absolutely. Okay. Have you ever tried got an recharge on Camly? Get Camly recharge. Have you ever tried?
What did you say?
Have you ever tried get recharge on Camly? Practice with
No,
phone now.
no, I can't. I have
Why?
downloaded app. I have downloaded app from Play Store, and then I found that they are asking for me to pay money. So
Pay
I
money, yeah,
never tried
absolutely.
Cambly.
Without, yeah, absolutely. It's a plan. We have to talk to with according to plan 7,000, 5,000,
Yes,
4,000 almost. It's account not and say limitless, but it's Indian rupees is currency is too much something.
yes.
I'm true. I feel something is too much. But don't worry, if you want to get knowledge, you have to spend your monies. That's why so enhancing and getting money is nothing. Money all future is spent, but knowledge can't spend. If you want to grab your knowledge never finish. Money finish,
Yes,
but never finish knowledge. First of all, grab your knowledge, then you can express yourself in front of your friends, front of you and colleague. Yeah, absolutely. He actually English quote is I should speak English. Like him and I put up. I get over this English speaking. I will get over my poverties because this is English my pay man pay. So that I will do this. Definitely, I will achievement is my life and so nobody's suggests me this type but I will have to understand and how will I succeed, how will I get over in my life is like is so many people think is what will you do in your life is that somebody evils you, somebody finding mistake in you, but don't you avoid unnecessary peoples, avoid the bad company. Got it my point?
yes. If you are knowledgeable, then you can earn lot of money. You are right.
Yeah, okay, knowledge is everything. Hard
Knowledge
work
is
is
power.
stage.
Yes.
Yeah. So ask any questions.
And on Cambly, which plan do you take?
7,000, almost 7,000. Mean 1 month, 1 week, 5 day, and 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
in a day. You should take. You should take this plan. It's not costly. You have to spend money, then start. But this is costly. I think it seems too costly. As 7,000, parents can't pay something.
Yes, yes.
According to salary, according to rural areas. I'm true here, really, but something passion. I have a passion, so that's why I'm doing this.
Then you do you work or not?
No, no, I'm a student. I'm BA third year student, Bachelor of
Okay, so
Art.
I'm also doing BA.
Wow,
I'm also a
superb.
student of arts.
Arts. Yeah, superb. But I'm not only I'm fond of English, fond of. I wanna be
Okay.
teacher, English teacher in abroad.
Oh, And do you want you told in your I think Cambly video that you want to be a motivational speaker. Am I right?
Absolutely, I have
Okay.
YouTube channels. I have a second YouTube channels. I make a videos,
Okay.
many videos, like a funny videos. I will send you link, my channel link.
Okay.
Check
Okay.
out, then you tell me how is my video. Tell what it is. But it's a beginner, but I will too consistently. Then I will grab this. I will take this knowledge. And motivational is very difficulty. We have to speak in public.
Okay.
What do you want to after grow up?
What do I? What do I?
What will we do after grow up? When will you grow up? What will you find to? I think a life is. What's your ambitious? What's your ambitious? May I know about this?
Okay. I want to be a teacher or as well as a ethical hacker if I got chance. If I get
Itika.
chance.
Oh, super! It's a dream. As a government teacher.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Government
But
teacher. Yeah.
I'm also trying to get an RAS. An RAS want to be.
Anyway,
RAS.
anyway, RS full form. What is full form?
What?
RS mean? Tell me. Explain about this. RS.
RAS. RAS is the Administrative Service of Rajasthan. It means Rajasthan Administrative Service, where you can
Mm-hmm,
do
mm-hmm.
like IS, like
Government.
IS. It's a sub post
Yeah.
like.
Like
Okay,
like
but it is
IS.
only
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
it is only in
Mhm.
Rajasthan.
Okay, wrap it up. Okay, I think you are doing this as well. And I think by the way, you English something good right now. It's something good.
Okay,
Keep
okay.
practicing. Keep practicing
Thank you.
consistently. Because
Yes.
you're a beginner. You belong to rural areas. That's why I'm talking about this. And I'm giving you your feedback. Something good. If you will do this like this consistently, you will grab. You will touch your destinations one day.
Yes. Yes.
Absolutely.
Vocabularies. Thanks for watching this video. Keep it watching. Good luck.